Ang daming violation, Madam Chair. Walang record, hindi binigay. Ngayon, it's not readily available. Walang record sa archives. Ano to, sikreto?
Magandang araw mga kababayan. Nako po, mukhang hirap, nagkautal-utal at namilipit itong si Representative Swansing sa mga katanungan ni Representative Chanco kung saan ay kinwestiyon nga ang anomalya sa proseso ng budget sa taong 2025. Kung saan may mga bumuo sila ng small committee na gumagawa ng insertion, gumagawa ng mga amendment sa budget. Nako po mga kababayan po natin. Yan po yung ating pag-uusapan, pero bago ang lahat, huwag kalimutang i-like ang video ito. At ito na nga, nabisto na nga ni Representative Chanco na talagang wala pa silang mga record. Nako po, hindi nila maipakita at si Swansing hindi niya rin masagot. Katabi ni Swansing itong si Representative Sandro Marcos, pero parang syunga-syunga lang ito, no? Na parang wala rin alam. Anyway, maganda itong ginawa ni Representative Chanco, mga kababayan. Panoorin niyo ito.
Chanco from the Independent Bloc.
Yes, Madam Chair. The highlight of the President's SONA was yung sinabi na mahiya naman kayo, initiative errata for the boys SOP. So ang initiative at errata ay nanggagaling po yan sa Kongreso. Kaya nga medyo nahirapan si Sec Ralph na sagutin kung paano nabawasan yung iba dahil talagang Kongreso po may alam yan. At dalawang pagkakataon po yan, sa BICAM at sa small committee. So I would like to ask the Chair to furnish all of the members the signed report of the small committee for 2025. Bakit gumagalaw yung oras ko? Hindi naman kasama yung sagot.
Mukhang hindi maganda yung templa ng panahon ngayon, mga kababayan po natin. Oh. At talagang grabe yung tapang ni Chanco, mga kababayan natin. Nako po, mga kababayan po natin. Paano yan? No? Mukhang hindi handa po yung bagong chairman ng Committee on Appropriation. Nako. Na, patay tayo dyan. Mukhang hindi talaga handa, mga kababayan natin. Nako, yari na. Suspend mo na, suspend.
Thank you very much, Representative Chanco. The request will be put under consideration and we will let you know if it's possible to...
No. Madam Chair, why should it be put under consideration? This is a public record. This is in accordance with our rules. That all committee reports must be given to all members. And that shouldn't be taken against my time because you're telling me that, teka, balik natin yung oras ko kasi sinasabi na that will be taken into consideration. It should not be taken into consideration. Madam Chair, allow me to read this, no? Declaration of Principles and Policies. Section number 2 of our rules. Public office is a public trust. The House of Representatives and every member thereof are accountable to the people at all times. I will not read the ending portion. Number 3, efficient and effective access to and dissemination of appropriate and accurate information are imperative in lawmaking. So why should it be taken into consideration, Madam Chair?
This representation was not the Appropriations Chair at the time. So
Nako po, magpapalusot pa itong si Representative Swansing. Dito mo talaga malalaman, mga kababayan po natin, na may tinatago po sila. Kasi kung wala silang tinatago, dapat nakahanda na po yan. Lalong-lalo na, alam nila na tatanungin yan. Now, dahil itong live na ito sa plenary na ito, panimula ito ng pagiging pagproseso ng budget, mga kababayan.
the person who's covering the jurisdiction of that particular document, that is a document within the purview of the 19th Congress. Given that we've now crossed over to the 20th Congress, we would need to consider that request.
Madam Chair, that's not acceptable. This is public records. Pareho pa naman yung COMSEC natin. At yan dapat linalagay sa archives. Do I have to read the rules again regarding archives of all documents? So may ang daming violation, Madam Chair. Walang record, hindi binigay. Ngayon, it's not readily available. Walang record sa archives. Ano to, sikreto?
Again, this representation was not the Appropriations Chair.
Let's ask the committee secretary, where are the signed records of the 2025 small committee report? Madam Chair, simple lang to. Kung electronic dapat lahat may electronic copy. So dapat i-email sa amin lahat within 5 minutes, di ba?
Naku po mga kabayan. Nagkalitsi-litsi na po. Mga nagpapanik po yung mga
Meeting suspended.
nako. Nagpa-suspended mga kababayan. Tayo dyan.
We will look into the records and
Madam-
look at the
Madam Chair.
particular item. The subject matter of today's hearing is the briefing on the 2026 budget. So this is an internal matter that may
No,
be
it's
taken
not.
up with the Committee on Appropriations
No, it's
separately. So
Madam
we would-
Madam Chair, starting Wednesday, tatanungin natin yung mga departamento, paano nila ginastos yung budget nila. Paano natin sila tatanungin kung paano nila ginastos yung budget nila kung hindi natin alam paano sila nabawasan at paano sila nadagdagan.
We
So
will be able to scrutinize the performance of the different agencies
no,
as
no.
well as the utilization of the different line items based on the 2025 performance.
No.
So this does not preclude us from doing that scrutiny.
Meron ba o wala?
We would
Mer-
have to look into the records. May I ask exactly what you are asking for?
The small committee report of the 2025 budget that has just asked the COMSEC kung meron o wala. Kung meron, why was it not filed sa archives based on our rules 15 days after? So meron ba o wala? Simple. Kung meron,
Nako po mga kababayan po natin. No? Napakasimple lang yung tanong, mayroon po ba o wala? Hirap na hirap siya magpaliwanag. Yun nga, napapansin natin, natataranta si Swansing. No? Dahil sa pagkataranta nila, pati yung nagpipindot ng timer, abay hindi po na nai-stop. No? Tuloy-tuloy yung pagtakbo ng timer. Kahit sila ay nagbubulungan. O, tuloy natin to.
not it filed sa archives based on our rules 15 days after. So meron ba o wala? Simple. Kung meron, bakit hindi na-file sa archives? Kung wala, I will let you proceed, Madam Chair. I will not hold this budget hostage. Gusto ko lang malaman, meron o wala?
The HGAB itself, the output of the small committee is already embedded into the HGAB itself. So that's the report. That's the output of the small
It's
committee.
not the report, Madam Chair. Based on our rules, each committee must come out with a report. No committee is exempted from coming out with a committee report. Please check Section 39 of Rule 9 of our rules. Kasi di ba kung meron, ang dali-dali naman, di ba kawala?
Mga wala. No, bulong-bulong, oh. Talagang parang gagawa, ngayon parang sila gagawa ng committee report na yan. Sabihin na lang wala kasi.
So the small committee is subsumed within the Committee on Appropriations, and it is the Committee on Appropriations who's required to submit the committee report. In this case, the report and the output of the Committee on Appropriations is the HGAB.
No, it's not. The HGAB is different from a committee report. Just like
So palpal.
any other bill, the bill is different from the committee report. There must be a committee report included to the bill. It is not one and the same.
At the point of after the committee hearings are done, the Committee on Appropriations comes out with a committee report, and then it moves to plenary, at which point we approve it. And
Mga kababayan po natin, no? Nag-English pa. Tapos, wala naman siyang maipakitang dokumento na hindi niya naman masagot ng maayos yung hinahanap sa kanya ni Congressman Toby Chanco. Mag-English pang pisti niya. Tagalog na lang, day.
the small committee works. So now the output of the Committee on Appropriations, once that is elevated to the plenary, is the HGAB.
No.
So there's no other committee report that needs to be furnished by the Committee on Appropriations apart from the HGAB
It
itself.
is not exempted from our rules, Madam Chair. Maliwanag, Section 39. Gusto nyo basahin nyo? Okay. I will ask the committee secretariat, how many meetings were held?
Hindi makasagot.
There were 2 meetings.
2 meetings. Did you follow, nasaan yung minutes ng meetings?
Wala. Nako. Wala
Where were
na.
the meetings held? What date?
Grabe. Talaga, no? Nga. Tapos yung oras si Tiangco tumatakbo niyan. Ano nyo? Yung mga sagot.
Madam Chair,
grabe.
I can read section 39 of our rules to make it clear that the committee report is different from the HGAB, but I don't want it to take up my time.
Wala.
Iba po yun eh, kasi tignan nyo yung BICAM. Di ba may BICAM report? Doon sa BICAM report, teka muna, ba't umaandaw yung oras ko? Hindi pa nila natatapos yung isyong rineraise ko.
Grabe. Pati oras mo nilalakaw.
Doon sa BICAM report, nakasulat, okay, yung BICAM report, pinipintasan natin. Pero yung BICAM report, may nakasulat doon kung alin yung nabawasan, alin yung nagdagdagan. Dito sa HGAB, wala tayong makita kung alin yung nabawasan, alin yung nadagdagan.
With the indulgence of Representative Chanco, so the COMSEC is currently looking into the specific request as well as the level of detail that you are requesting.
No, within 5 minutes, I need the committee report.
If we may please move on to the other questions
Yes,
while
but-
they're working on
Yes,
this.
I will. But if within 5 minutes wala yan, ibig sabihin wala yan, ngayon palang gagawa yan. Ang gusto natin na committee report is the same as the BICAM. Okay? The same as the BICAM. Nakasulat kung saan binawas, saan nadagdag. Okay, I will mention why it is very important. Okay, ito may 2 distrito, no? At sino ang nag-introduce ng amendment? May 2 distrito, hindi naman to kasalanan ng congressman doon sa distritong yon. Ang NEP nila is 2.530 billion. And then pagdating sa GAA, naging 20.999 billion. Isa pa, 1.508583 billion sa NEP. Pagdating sa GAA, 20,795. So, tapos ang pinasok lang sa BICAM dito is 5 billion and 4 billion each. So ang napasok dun sa small committee is 13 billion, dun sa isa, yung isa 14 billion. So sino yung nagpasok ng 13 billion na yun at saan tinanggal yun?
Alam mo yung question na yan, mga kababayan po natin, sino yung nagpasok ng mga malalaking budget na yan, malalaking pera na yan. Ganon din po doon sa kini-question ni Congressman Ungab at ni Attorney Vic Rodriguez. Sino yung makating kamay na nag-fill up doon sa mga blanco sa bicameral report? Blankong bicameral report pagdating sa GAB ay kumpleto na naging pinirmahan ni Marcos, no, na naging So parang ganito rin ang question ni Representative Toby Chanco. Hindi pa nga kini-question dyan ni Representative Toby Chanco eh. Yung blanco ng yung 28 na blankong mga line items na walang nakasulat na pera, no? Walang nakasulat na amount sa bawat line item na yon, pero pagdating sa GAB napirmahan. Pero yung bicameral report na yan is well signatured ng mga miyembro ng Committee on Appropriation. Of course, senador at mga congressman magkasama. So iba rin itong tinatanong ni Toby Chanco. Diyan natin makikita, mga kababayan po natin, no, na hindi sila transparent, napakarami talagang anomalya. Ayun sinasabi nila, ita-transparent nila ngayon, lalo na itong si Tambaloslos, Martin Romualdez, ito po ay pakitang tao pagkukunwari lang. Ngayon pa nga lang, hirap sila ipaliwanag, di ba? At mukhang ngayon pala sila gagawa ng report para may ibibigay kay Toby Chanco. Nga.
So again, the small committee is subsumed within the Committee on Appropriations, and it is not required to render a separate
no,
committee
I
report. The rule that you are citing, Honorable Chanco, pertain to standing committees. And the mother committee in this case of the small committee is the Committee on Appropriations.
Yes, but did we exempt the Committee on Appropriations not to submit a committee report? No.
Again, the committee report of the Committee on Appropriations at the plenary level is the HGAB itself.
Yeah, but all meetings, dito sa ating rules, all meetings must be on record. So it's not only the committee report, dapat yung small committee na yon, meron silang report na finurnish lahat.
Again,
Again.
if, with the indulgence of the Honorable Chanco, the COMSEC is looking into the request. If we may move to the next question.
Okay, I will move to the next question.
Thank you very
mukhang
much.
wala talaga. Signed committee report showing.
So wala talaga mga kababayan po natin itong committee report, itong small committee report na ito sa hinahanap na insertion ni Congressman Toby Chanco mga kababayan po natin. Malinaw po na talagang may mga ginawang katarantaduhan, mikos-mikos, anomalya po dito sa budget natin mga kababayan po natin. At yan po yung hindi pa na-resolve doon sa petition na final ni Atty. Vic Rodriguez at ni Congressman Ongab. Malinaw po, no? Na dito po sa kini-question ni Representative Toby Chanco is ito po is nag-collaborate doon sa nadiskubrehang issue ni Congressman Ongab. Yun, no? Grabe talagang ginagawa ni Tambang ngayon mga kababayan natin. So yan po ang ating update. Of course, maraming salamat kay Toby Chanco at highlight niya yung mga katanungan na ito. Nagkaroon po talaga ng kaalaman yung ating mga kababayan na talagang sila-sila lang yung nag-i-insert ng napakalaking pera, billion po yung pinag-uusapan. Pero kung yayabang po sila na dapat may accountability sa confidential fund ni BP Sara, na tama naman yung paggastos dito sa mga congressman involved sa pag-insert ng pera. Grabe ang anomalya. Ang klase.